Action.
Okay, so this is like Marefriend presents like toy reviews, and like my hand-raised little rat babies are gonna help me. So today's toy is the new Big Macintosh knockoff bootleg thing from China, freshly arrived. And as you can see, it's like really fabulous because it has the cutie mark on both sides. Both sides. And it's got like the fuzzy hooves that like the boys are supposed to have, that they've had, you know, from like G1 and everything like that. And he's got his little freckles, which is like a really nice touch. And he's got the big boy nose, which is extremely important. And he's really soft. And if you don't like him like working out in the field, you can like take off his yoke, you know, and it like is like this really nice armband. It's like really nice. And it's even got this nice like crazy looking like Chinese sticker on it, which is like really fabulous. And so that's Big Macintosh. I would recommend getting them because there really aren't any more Big Macs out right now. I mean, Fourth Dimension just like talked about theirs, but the way they've been going, it's gonna be like, you know, 200 years from now before they get their stuff out. So yes, I think you should get this if you like cute, soft, squishy toys.
Want me to zoom in on the thingy? Tag?
Yeah, if you want to.
Could you bring it closer? Oh, stop. Okay, that's good enough.